Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to start a blog from scratch and most importantly, how to make money from it. So if you've ever thought about starting a blog or want to turn your passion for writing into a profitable venture, this video is for you. But before we jump right into it, if you are new here or who haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below and do not forget to ring the notification bell as well so you never miss out on our latest content. And for all of our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel and I'm grateful for your continued support. Alright, let's dive right into it. Starting a blog is an exciting journey, right? But it can be overwhelming if you do not know where to begin. So how do we begin? All you're gonna do is go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com is compatible to any of your uh, web browser like Firefox, Safari, Edge, Brave. And once you are in Wix.com, all you gotta do is create an account if you don't have one. And then once you've created your account successfully, log in using your credentials and you will be hovering into the dashboard itself, right? Okay, so creating a blog. Basically, it is possible, really, making blogs and making money. So how do we do that? First of all, there's a thing called a niche, right? So that's the most crucial first step in starting a blog is to select a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience interested in it, right? Whether it's travel, fashion, technology, or any other topic, it's essential to pick something that you genuinely love, right? So you're not gonna work every single day because you're doing what you love and you're getting paid for it. And once you've decided on your niche, it's time to choose a domain name and hosting provider, right? So you are in Wix.com. That's another step. And of course, the appearance of your blog matters. For example, here there's a lot of there's a lot of examples of blog designs that you can choose and templates in Wix.com. Always once you have a little bit of template, it's everything is customizable, because content is king, right? And you have to also to consider that the what you write should be engaging, valuable and SEO friendly because it attracts readers and more traffic to your blogs will get you more advertising and the advertising will generate revenue and traffic, right? To make money, you need readers. You should create and discuss to your partners or friends or colleagues to have a strategy like social media marketing and SEO to drive traffic. And also from your blog you should collaborate with an affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, add revenue by selling products or services, right? That's one of the reasons why you have to custom design your template to the blog that you wanted to have, right? See, when you go here at blogs dash design, there's a lot of information that you that can help you to start your journey, right? Here. Okay, so before you create your own design, let me just take note that it will require you to upgrade to a premium subscription for you to be able to add a domain, right? So here you create your website, okay? And you will be asked to log into your credentials. All right, so once you've decided the template of your own, make sure you always assess which blog posts are performing well, and of course you have to use Wix Analytics and integrate tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website's traffic and performance. All the consistency is a key in every steps that you take because Whenever you keep publishing quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring new monetization opportunities will grow and your blog will generate income over time. Remember that making money from a blog, it takes time and effort, really. So be patient and persistent in your efforts. But needless to say, Wix is here and it provides a user-friendly platform for creating and managing your blog, making it a good choice for beginners. I have a lot of friends who use Wix for their blogs because it's easy. It's easy to collaborate with other bloggers. It's easy to share your blog posts on social media to increase visibility. You can also build an email list and use it to promote products, services, or affiliate offers to your subscribers. So basically, Wix is a one-stop shop. And also, remember, if you have your own products or services, you can sell them directly through your blog. Okay, do not be afraid to go to a journey to a new heights. Okay, and once again, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.